Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can apply for a Gemini credit card. So the first step that you have to do is visit the Gemini's official site, which is this one. So once you're in here, just tap on the credit card section. And once you have tapped on that one, there should be an option like see if you're eligible with no impact to your credit score. So make sure that we checked if you're pre-qualified. So click to start and it will use the ASoft credit card check. So you will need to provide personal details like your name, address, and etc. Also your income info, and you have to choose your rewards cryptocurrency if you are given the option. And we also have to agree to the terms, so just tap on agree or tap on the checkbox. And then after submission, the Gemini usually gives a decision within 60 seconds. So sometimes they may need more info and contact, and they will contact you via email or phone. So if you're approved, you will get a metal card mailed to your um address that you provided, and the delivery takes about 5 to 7 days in the US. And then you will then activate the card and then you can use it. So you will see the card options. You also have color choices if applicable. So if you're declined, you will get a reason via email. And sometimes a rejection is due to identity verification or insufficient information. So if your credit file is frozen, you will need to unfreeze it first. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!